Louis Slungpugh. I hope I pronounced the last name correctly.
Yes, ma'am. It's Slungpugh.
Oh, thank you very much. What can you tell us about this? Or is it something you've ever seen before like this?
Well, it appears that we have a water main that broke, and the apparent cause of the water main that broke was, it's coming into us from our troops on the ground. Basically, that a couple of college students might have sent down a cherry bomb down the toilet.
What?
Oh.
Can you say that again?
Right.
You think somebody sent a cherry bomb down the toilet?
Yeah, it's that we try to put on seminars, yearly, explaining how dangerous it is to send any kind of explosives down a plumbing drain. But that's what is coming back to us. We had a pressure break around sunset, and the cherry bomb must have popped through the top of the pipe and just blew the bottom right out of it.
Wait, is this something that happens because of the UCLA campus and kids playing around, or is it the high school campus, or do you know the source?
Right now, we're still in the investigation phase. It just seems that the break might have come somewhere around the Poly Pavilion area, one of the locker rooms. It was either a cherry bomb or someone took a really large dump.
That is an incredible. So, are you 100% sure about that? Is
That's a fake call.
Oh, we lost him. I'm sorry about that. We hope to get him back and find out how they're going to close down that main.
All right, let's go back.